Our request is, if you have something, you have bhakti, then I can beg you to please give me bhakti. And I can say, maybe, I don't know. Why should I give it to you? Who are you? What is your adhikar? What is your qualification? Well, what have you done for me? Why should I? What have you done for me? What have you given me? Why should you give me something? I'll give you something. That's what Krishna says. I'm not saying anything more than Krishna. Guru is Krishna. Krishna is Guru. Acharya Mam Vijanayan. Krishna says, you give me, I'll give you. That's how God plays it. Hey, give me this bhakti, man. Give it to me, man. Bhakti. Here's pranami. Give it to me. Ye tamam prapadyante tam sataiva bhajamyaham mama manavartante manasha parta sarvasha. You give me, I give you. You surrender into me. You don't surrender, nothing. All in your mind. It's all imagination, kalpana. I have guru. I'm initiated. It's all kalpana. It's imagination. If you don't surrender, you don't have anything. You have your imagination, your imaginative devotional life. If there's no Sharanagati, there's no bhakti.